The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is anticipated to incorporate several artificial intelligence-driven features, enhancing user experience in various aspects. Building upon Samsung's commitment to integrating advanced technologies into its mid-range devices, the A36 5G is expected to offer the following artificial intelligence capabilities. 1. Artificial intelligence-powered photography enhancements. Advanced photo editing. Utilizing artificial intelligence algorithms, the device may offer features that allow users to manipulate and enhance photos effortlessly, similar to those found in Samsung's flagship models. Scene recognition. The camera could automatically identify and optimize settings for various scenes, ensuring high-quality images across different environments. 2. Live call translation. The Galaxy A36 5G might support live call translation, enabling conversations between speakers of different languages to be translated in real time, facilitating seamless communication. Artificial intelligence-driven battery management. Artificial intelligence could monitor and analyze usage patterns to optimize battery performance, extending usage time by managing background processes and adjusting settings accordingly. 4. On-device artificial intelligence processing, powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, which includes an artificial intelligence engine. The Galaxy A36 5G is expected to handle artificial intelligence tasks efficiently on-device, reducing reliance on cloud processing and enhancing privacy. While these features are promising, it's important to note that due to hardware constraints compared to flagship models, some advanced artificial intelligence functionalities might be limited or absent in the Galaxy A36 5G. Apple just dropped the iPhone Special Edition for $599, and the internet is completely divided. Some are excited to finally see a more affordable iPhone, while others are disappointed, calling it just another recycled design with no real innovation. So, where do you stand? Are you on Team Yes, a budget iPhone at last, or Team Apple, you can do better? Share your thoughts in the comments. Meanwhile, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A56 5G, and we just gotten our first look at live images of the device. Unlike the flagship S series, the A56 brings back a familiar yet refreshed camera design. Honestly, it feels like a breath of fresh air, something different from the usual, making the phone stand out. It's an interesting contrast to Apple's approach with the iPhone 16e. The Galaxy A56 has already been spotted in certification listings, signaling an imminent launch. And unlike Apple's iPhone 16e, Samsung isn't just reusing old designs, it's bringing real hardware upgrades. Plus, the A56 will ship with One UI 7.0, Samsung's latest software update. It's fascinating to see how Apple and Samsung are handling their mid-range phones. Apple seems to be playing it safe by sticking to the same old design for the iPhone 16e, leaving some fans underwhelmed. On the other hand, Samsung is making noticeable changes with the A56, offering a fresh look and meaningful improvements, all while keeping it budget-friendly. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.